Not all cars are created equal, and in 2025, some are total disasters waiting to happen. Whether it's poor reliability, awful resale, or just bad engineering, some vehicles will leave you stranded, frustrated, and broke. Today, we're exposing 7 of the worst cars you should absolutely avoid this year. But don't worry, we're also giving you 3 of the best, smartest buys you can make instead. These aren't just opinions, they're backed by reliability data, mechanic insights, and owner reviews. If you want to avoid throwing your money down the drain, stay tuned. Let's dive into the worst cars of 2025 and the 3 best ones to trust instead. Chevrolet Malibu. The 2025 Malibu feels like a relic, built on an old platform with no vision for the future. Powered by a basic 1.5 liters turbo engine that lacks punch, especially when merging or passing. The powertrain and CVT combo are smooth, except when they're not, often with odd delays. Despite decent fuel economy, drivers describe acceleration as lethargic at best. Owners report noticeable torque steer and a somewhat disconnected driving experience. Looks bland and forgettable next to fresher designs. No distinctive styling cues. Even higher trims can't hide the dated silhouette and uninspired front fascia. From the rear, it blends into the parking lot. It's that anonymous. It lacks the confident stance or accents owning attention on the road. Hard plastics dominate the cabin, even on upper trims, making it feel cheap. Infotainment menus lag, and buttons often feel unresponsive or basic. Rear seat legroom is tight compared to rivals, making it less family-friendly. Longevity is suspect. Small users report rattles and prematurely worn upholstery. Newer sedans offer better performance, safety, and comfort for the same money. It depreciates quickly with low resale values compared to segment peers. Long-term reliability reports are below average, guaranteed repair headaches. Buying a Malibu in 2025 is like choosing a flip phone in the age of smartphones. From uninspired sedans to compact SUVs that mislead, our next car looks good on paper but fails in reality. Volkswagen Taos. At first glance, the Taos seems like a smart, stylish choice, but it hides major flaws. 1.5 liters turbo engine delivers decent mid-range power, but stutters during highway acceleration. CVT transmission jerks and hesitates under load, especially during climbing. Drivers note inconsistent throttle mapping and uneven engine response. Fuel economy may be fine, but performance reliability is weak. The Taos is handsome, styled to mimic bigger VW siblings with sharp lines. LED daylight, running lights, and modern grille punch-up urban appeal. The design holds up. Unfortunately, the mechanicals don't match. Looks matter no more when it breaks down. Stylish dashboard and digital cluster, but lower-grade plastics linger below. Touchscreen responsiveness is hit or miss. Updates can brick infotainment entirely. Rear seat is cramped, and the rear HVAC is underdeveloped for taller passengers. Some owners report persistent squeaks in panels and trim after a few months. Reliability data shows elevated repair frequency, especially in drivetrain and electronics. Buyer satisfaction surveys rank it below the segment average. It's flashy but flops when counted on for daily use. Don't sacrifice reliability for VW-inspired aesthetics. Ready for a luxury badge that fails to deliver? Our next SUV proves even prestige can disappoint. Jaguar EPACE. The EPACE draws attention with its sharp styling, but it's a disaster underneath the surface. Turbocharged 2.0 liters feels quick initially, but suffers from throttle lag and inconsistent power. 9-speed automatic introduces jerky downshifts and delayed upshifts under load. Fuel consumption spikes once cooled down from spirited driving. Tests show multiple recalls related to drivetrain faults. Not hype, it's real. It looks elegant with compact Jaguar cues, smooth roofline, sleek headlights, sporty stance. On the road, it gets noticed, but the shine fades when it's in for repairs. Exterior build quality is decent until you inspect seams, spoilers, and panel alignment. Looks upscale, but doesn't deliver the reliability to match. Plush leather and Alcantara seats impress before the glitches begin. Dual screens freeze or reboot mid-drive. Connected services may disconnect suddenly. Only average space for the price, with less cargo volume than promised. Some buttons fail after months, power windows, audio knobs, and AC controls included. Jaguar's dependability ratings trail luxury peers. Most owners regret the decision. The EPACE combines luxury price with luxury-level problems. Maintenance and parts costs are high, with less than stellar dealer support. Prestige fades fast when the check engine light appears on your dashboard. From luxury flops to mainstream casualties, our next car is a compact SUV nobody should buy. Nissan Rogue. The Rogue trades on being family-friendly, but reliability records tell a different tale. Nissan's top seller is held back by design issues and drivability complaints. Its variable compression turbo engine is innovative, but it's plagued by reliability issues. Many owners report shuddering at low speed and uneven power. It rarely improves with age. CVT gearbox often emits whining and slippage sounds under strain. Repairs like transmission replacements are frequent and costly. Modern design with flowing lines and sharp daytime running lights. Appearance is good, but ruggedness shows in panel gaps and front bumper deformation reports. The look excites until reliability doesn't. Don't be fooled by design. It's built on a shaky foundation. Nissan's cabin layout is ergonomic, but materials feel subpar at the price. Infotainment exhibits lagging and freezes. Once uncommon Bluetooth dropouts have emerged. Rear seat comfort is average, with limited knee room for grown-ups. Long-distance use shows creaks, loose trim, and worn upholstery. Reliability ratings fall below mid-sized SUV average, plagued by drivetrain errors. Resale values drop faster than competitors like CR-V or RAV4. The family-friendly image costs real money when repairs start racking up. Skip the Rogue if long-term reliability matters. Mazda 3. Don't underestimate this compact. The Mazda 3 blends athleticism, luxury, and dependability in one package. Available with a naturally aspirated or turbocharged engine, it delivers both efficiency and thrills. Its handling is tight and responsive, thanks to Mazda's G-vectoring control tech. All-wheel drive is available, giving it year-round versatility many rivals skip. It's a compact car that actually makes driving enjoyable again. Mazda's Kodo design language gives the Mazda 3 a sleek, sculpted look that rivals entry-level luxury cars. LED lighting, a smooth silhouette, and bold wheel options make it stand out at any angle. There's a sense of motion, even when it's parked. It's easily one of the best-looking small cars on the road. Premium materials everywhere, soft touch, real stitching, and an ultra-clean dashboard layout. Seats are supportive and ergonomic, ideal for daily drives or long road trips. The infotainment system is intuitive, distraction-free, and complements the driver-focused cockpit. It genuinely feels more Audi than economy without the Audi price tag. Reliability scores are consistently strong, and long-term ownership satisfaction is high. It's the rare compact that combines beauty, brains, and bulletproof quality. If you want a car that feels luxurious and lasts forever, this is it. The Mazda 3 proves you don't need a premium badge for a premium experience. Next, a European luxury brand that does deliver, and it's not the one most people guess. BMW X3. Yes, a BMW made the most reliable list because the X3 is built to last and refined to impress. Unlike some of its siblings, the X3 delivers consistent build quality and fewer long-term issues. Choose between a turbocharged 4-cylinder or a smooth inline 6 for spirited performance. It handles beautifully with sharp steering and tight body control, like a true BMW should. All-wheel drive xDrive models grip with confidence, whether in snow or fast corners. It's engaging when you want it to be and relaxing when you need it. LED lighting, aerodynamic contours, and available M Sport packages elevate the look even further. It wears its luxury badge with confidence, without being too flashy. This SUV looks just as good pulling up to the office or heading into the mountains. Inside is where the X3 really earns its keep, with high-end materials and clean design. Digital displays, configurable driving modes, and ambient lighting add a futuristic edge. Everything feels tightly built and thoughtfully laid out, from the seats to the switches. It's not just good-looking, it's genuinely comfortable for families and commuters alike. BMW nailed the formula with the X3: performance, practicality, and premium appeal. Its reliability scores are climbing, with far fewer issues than past models. It's the SUV for people who want driving excitement and peace of mind. Don't be surprised if this one stays in your garage long after the payments end. Finally, let's wrap it up with a sports car that isn't just thrilling. It's one of the most dependable machines ever made. Porsche 911. It may shock you, but the Porsche 911 is one of the most reliable performance cars money can buy. It's engineered to perfection and built to be driven daily, not just on weekends. Rear engine layout, iconic flat-six powertrain, and razor-sharp handling define the 911 experience. Available in multiple trims, Carrera, Turbo, GTS, there's no bad choice. Its precision makes even a spirited backroad drive feel like an event. The 911's silhouette is unmistakable, sleek, aerodynamic, and perfectly proportioned. Each generation refines the design without losing the soul of the original. Flush door handles, LED matrix headlights, and wide stances command attention. It's elegant, iconic, and functional in every inch of metal and carbon fiber. Minimalist but luxurious leather, aluminum, and digital displays harmonize inside the cockpit. The driving position is perfect, and visibility is excellent for a sports coupe. You get real back seats for kids or extra luggage, making it oddly practical. It feels like a serious machine, but never overwhelming to drive. The 911 is proof that you can have performance and longevity in one car. Its build quality rivals Toyota, and long-term maintenance is lower than you'd expect. High resale value and low depreciation make it a smart, exotic investment. This is the dream car that never lets you down. Now that we've covered the 7 cars that actually deliver, let's break down what the experts think. According to Consumer Reports, the most reliable brands heading into 2025 include Mazda, Porsche, Lexus, and BMW, all of which have models on this list. These brands consistently rank above average in categories like powertrain longevity, electronic dependability, and owner satisfaction. In contrast, brands like Nissan, Volkswagen, and Jaguar fall near the bottom due to repeat issues with transmissions, infotainment glitches, and poor service satisfaction. Notably, the Mazda III and Porsche 911 rank among the top 5 most reliable vehicles overall for the upcoming model year, while the BMW X3 is showing major improvement in long-term cost of ownership and drivability scores. If you're looking to buy a car in 2025 to 26, don't just chase the hype, look at the long game. The right car isn't just fun to drive, it's the one that still feels new 10 years from now. These 7 vehicles deliver the rare combo of style, performance, and rock-solid dependability. Hit that subscribe button for more real-world car rankings and avoid your next expensive mistake.